Welcome back to the channel. My name's Levi. Now, you may have seen a video on our channel about how I only used Microsoft Clipchamp to create it. If you haven't, the link is in the description. Give it a watch. Today, I'll be showing you exactly how I did it and all the cool features that made it possible. Now, a little bit about myself as a creator, and I'm very new, like 4 months new. I have very little experience with filming or editing, but Clipchamp was great at giving me easy to understand and easy to use features that made it possible to create something so intensive. So let's get right into it. With its friendly interface, you can record clips or voice notes in Clipchamp, or you can import your own content. It's even got templates you can use like Instagram or YouTube, or happy birthday ones if you want to create something for a loved one. You can even create a video using AI, which will do a lot of the legwork, giving you a foundation that you can then work on. It will do things like order your clips, adding in filters or transitions, putting in music and animations. But obviously I didn't do that for my video, but having that option there is great for saving time and also for less specialized tasks. So as we get to the main editing page, we can again see how user-friendly this interface is, with your main creative options along the two sides, your timeline on the bottom, and when you add content, it's shown in this main area. For our options on the side, we have the ability to record or create something yourself or import your own content. You've got the amazing content library for stock live videos, music, graphics, backgrounds or GIFs. You've also got templates, text and transitions, but we'll cover those in greater detail. So we'll start it off by importing the clips I filmed here, and it will all load and be ready to use on the side. I could then easily move the clips onto where I want it on the timeline. So because of the way I film, I'll film the same bit several times in one go, rather than stopping after each one, because I might end up losing my flow. But this means I often have to go through each one and cut out the bits I don't want, because I can have loads of content, but I just need one bit of it. Clipchamp makes this easy for me though, as I can split up the clips using the scissor icon here. And it doesn't matter if I make a mistake, because you have your undo and your redo button here, and as well you can easily re-add any footage you took off. So I've added my files and cut them down to the bits I wanted, and also ordered it how I want it, but I've run into an issue. So originally, and this is true, I was supposed to film the content in 9x16, the typical YouTube short format, but I forgot and filmed it in landscape mode, so you're 16x9. I know, rookie mistakes, but I'm still learning. At first I panicked a bit. I would have had to film it again, wasting loads of good footage and just time I didn't have. Luckily, Clipchamp allows you to change the aspect ratio of your content through this button here. It saved me so much time, as I could go to my clips and change their dimensions to fit my video type, but also meant good footage didn't have to go to waste, a time and lifesaver. So I resized my footage, and one silver lining of that issue was it not only allowed me to find the right size for each clip, but I could add greater importance to some sections by zooming in. Zooming in is a neat little trick you can do on Clipchamp to bring greater attention to sections or to better highlight a facial reaction. All you need to do is find the bit you want to zoom in, split, make the clip larger and position it where you want it zoomed, and the effect will be achieved, giving a good variance to your content. I've added in all my zooms now, resized and ordered my clips, but it's still missing something, missing that sparkle. So here are some things I did to spruce it up a bit. The first thing I used to add sparkle to my videos was transitions. Clipchamp provides you with a whole host of different transitions that can take your video to a different level, such as burn, the classic fade in and out, spin or pixels. In my video, I used the pixel transition when I wanted to introduce my clips of the energy recommendation settings or introducing Clipchamp. I I also used the spin one for moments with the shopkeeper to add that comedic aspect to those sections, but it's amazing to have that variety of choice to aid your storytelling. If you want to add that sparkle to your videos, then you have to take advantage of the abundance of stock content that Clipchamp offers in its content library. You can use videos, music, sound effects, images, GIFs, backgrounds, shapes or overlays, all free. And with Premium or M365, personal or family, you can also get an even wider selection. They're all royalty and copyright free as well, so you don't have to worry about any copyright issues either. I needed some background ambient music for my scene, showing NG recommendations and showing off Clipchamp. So I listened through the options, I found one I liked, added it in. I could then decide how long I wanted it to play for and what section of it I wanted to play. I could also adjust how loud it was so I can make sure it wasn't too distracting, and I've added some much needed ambience to my clips. One of the best features that Clipchamp now offers, which is a unbelievable time saver, is auto captions. With just a couple clicks of your mouse, Clipchamp will analyze all of your footage and create captions that you can customize just like that. If you think of the time it would take to previously to individually create subtitles, I think most of the time you just wouldn't bother with the hassle, but not now. It's quick, it's easy to edit. Give it a try, and all you have to do is just go through and edit it to get it how you like, check for mistakes, and voila, captions for any clip no matter the length. So I've done it. I've added my sparkle, I've done as much tinkering as my energy levels and perfectionist personality will allow, and now it's time to export and get to that finish line. Just click that purple export button at the top corner, and I now have several options for the video quality I want to export in. I can do it in 480p for drafts, or 720p or 1080p, all for free. Or with an M365 subscription or the Clipchamp Premium, you can export it in 4K. It also has a great feature where if the clip is under 15 seconds, it can turn it into a GIF, allowing you to easily create or replicate memes or trends. Once it's ready, you have the option to upload it to OneDrive to allow seamless use across multiple devices. If not, you can just save it to your computer and it's ready to be shared or used however you want. So there you have it. That's how I managed to create this video using just Clipchamp and its easy to use features. It allowed me to do something that I never believed I would do, let alone could do. So I hope you now can see how easy it is to unlock your creative side. So let us know in a comment what was your favourite Clipchamp feature, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.